Frustrated by the AMD OCL64 DLL error causing AMD to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To kick off the AMD OCL64 module guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the AMD OCL64 module, the 64-bit open computing language, OpenCL library for AMD Radeon hardware. It facilitates hardware-accelerated compute tasks for image editing and scientific simulation software. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error usually means a required graphics runtime file such as AMD OCL64 DLL is missing. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore legacy DirectX libraries, followed by a GPU driver update if needed. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with AMD OCL64 module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the error persists after a restart, your graphics driver environment is likely corrupted. Use DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, in safe mode to completely wipe the existing driver metadata. Once the system is clean, install the latest driver suite from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to restore the healthy version of your DLL file. Why are we doing this? Well, overwritten driver files often leave ghost metadata that blocks new installations. A DDU wipe ensures a clean environment where the driver can properly register its DLL components. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of AMD OCL64 DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to AMD OCL64 module. If this fix repaired AMD OCL64 module dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.